Dungeons & Dragons is a complex game with many different strategies. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use rogues to your advantage and get the most out of their abilities. One of the most versatile classes in the game is the rogue, and in this video I'm going to teach you some tips, tricks, and tactics that will help you dominate your opponents. So sit back, relax, and let me show you how it's done. The first tip I have for you is to always look to sneak attack. This is one of the rogue's most powerful abilities and can easily turn the tide of a battle. When you're planning your attacks, always try to get behind enemy lines and hit them when they're least expecting it. The second tip I have for you is to focus your attribute points wisely. Your decision on where to allocate your points will greatly affect how your rogue performs in battle, so make sure you think carefully about where you want to put your points. The third tip I have for you is to pick your expertise wisely. As a rogue, you're allowed a handful of precious moments to double your proficiency bonus for particular skills. There are many different options available to you as a rogue, so make sure you choose the ones that will benefit you the most in combat. The fourth tip is to never forget about evasion. This is one of the rogue's most powerful defensive abilities and can easily save your life in a tight spot. When you're surrounded by enemies and their attacks are coming at you from all sides, remember to use evasion to your advantage. The fifth and final tip I have for you is to never underestimate the power of Cunning action. This ability allows you to use certain bonus actions that would take others an action on each of your turns, which can be used to great effect in combat. Use it wisely and you'll find yourself always one step ahead of your opponents. So there you have it, 5 tips to help you get the most out of playing a rogue in Dungeons & Dragons. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video useful. As always, please don't forget to like and subscribe, feed your displacer beasts, and we'll see you next time, adventurers.